Welcome. In front of me I have 70Mai Dash Cam Pro Plus, and I will show you how we can turn on or turn off wide dynamic range. The normal mode is called the high dynamic range in the most smartphone and the cameras, but here it's a little bit changed. So if you want to turn it on or turn it off, you have to go for the settings, go for the video settings, then you have to scroll down, find the wide dynamic range, click here, and as you can see we can easily turn it off or turn it on. You have to decide what you want to get. I can recommend you to activate this option because our video will be just looks better in the sunny day. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.